Hi there, welcome to another episode of ABC Useful Tips, and this time round we're going to show you how in the simple way to convert a Google document into PDF, and in fact it's a link, alright, such a way that you just have to click the link, right, and people have to just enter it and they will be directed to download a file that is in PDF format, alright, and so that when you email the PDF file is now in the link and there's no space needed, okay, in your email, right? So please click subscribe at the bottom or click subscribe at the top, right, if you want to be notified future video. Right, let's dive right in. To convert a Google Doc into PDF, first step is to open up your Google Doc from the Google Drive. Alright, this is the file that I want to convert. Alright, and I've already opened the file here. So the next step is to copy the URL, Ctrl C, open up a new tab, paste the URL in the address panel. Next step is to delete all the last word edit, alright, and then type in export format equals to PDF. Alright, I will include this into a description down below. Okay, so for this, after that, copy the entire address, and then you can actually paste this into your email address and then email to anybody, and with the click of this email address they can create the PDF. So in case anybody knows about this format, okay, and they can change it back into edit, you do not want it, you can actually go into a website called shortening.add. Okay, that is to help you to convert your email address and the URL into a shorter URL. Okay, so in this case, this is a much shorter URL, right? And then when you paste this shorter URL onto an address panel, okay, it will help you to download an PDF format of your original file, which is here. So if you click on it, you will see that this will open up, alright, okay, and it will be a PDF format, beautifully done, okay, exactly the same as your original. For this method of converting Google Doc into a PDF link, right, when you send it to a student or anybody or your colleagues, okay, you don't need to attach a file, you just have to paste Ctrl V, paste the URL, okay, so this is the PDF. So you can give instruction, click to download PDF. Right, so when the student receives this email, right, and they click on the link, voila, the magic happens and the file is downloaded. Right, so when they click on this file, you'll see that they have the full file in PDF format, everything's the same. Alright, so another magic. In this case, let's say if we were to make some changes, okay, add something else, alright, and we ask the participant to download directly, okay, so with the same link without having to send another one, you click again, with this new file, click again, the information is updated with the link. Alright, so you can see the difference, the original file and the new file without having to send new files. This is the beautiful conversion of Google Doc into PDF, and it can be updated as you update along, but they have to click on it again. Okay, so, so I hope you like this video. Okay, and if you love to be notified of future videos, please subscribe at the bottom or click this round button to subscribe. See you again, take care.